So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view condos here on the realtor.com application. So the first thing you have to do is open up realtor.com. Once that is done, select an area that you're looking to find condos in. So for this demonstration, I have the Phoenix, Arizona area in front of me on the screen. Now once that is done and your area is selected, go to the top left and press on filters. Once you're in the filters tab under property type and any, press on that to open up the second option. And if you're only looking for condos that are being listed, simply just go to the top right or the right side here and uncheck everything that is not a condo. So condos is checked just like this. Once that is done, go to the bottom and press on apply. Now when you're searching for homes here, only the listings that are considered condos will be showing up in your search and in front of you on the map. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to view condos here on the realtor.com application. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.